Hello, good evening. This is Shark. Well, as promised, in one of my YouTube videos, here I am looking at all share price index, which is here, and I have Blanca Indian Oil Company. My eye set on it. ADMX, yes, looking for some kind of a correction to do some kind of trading. Then here we go. We have ASI or ASPI, whichever you like to call it, the all share price index, one of the weighted index we have in the Colombo Stock Exchange. Well, looking at, well, this is the history, the 2-year history on a daily closing basis. I have the RSI on a oversold territory. Well, MACD showing an upward, and then I have the Fibonacci tool here. This is one of the mini Fibonacci tools. I have it here just to measure the corrections. So we are looking for a possible, 38, 50 or 61 correction levels, which would be healthy. Okay, දැන් අපි මේ බලන්නේ all share price index එක අවුරුදු දෙකේ history එක daily basis MACD indicator එක තියෙනවා මේකෙන් පෙන්නනවා selling ඒ වගේම buy signal එක මෙතන and then අපිට තියෙනවා මෙතන RSI එක මේ ඔක්කොම standard settings මම මොකුත් මේ වෙනස් කිරීම වලට භාජනය කරලා නැහැ මේ කිසිම indicator එකක් as it is. Okay, so RSI, where do we stand? මේක oversold කියන තැනක තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් අපිට පේනවා මෙතන මේ දවස් කිහිපයක රතු candles ටික පෙන්නුම් කිරීමෙන් අපිට පේනවා මෙතන correction එකක් වීගෙන එනවා. I think we are into the early stage of a correction. So it's good to wait for some more. Well, we are looking, as you said, tool එක Fibonacci tool එක මම මේ measure කරන්නේ the swing low and the high here. මේකේ correction එකක් මම initially මම test කරන්නේ. So we are looking around, let's say 38.2 කියන්නේ 7440. එතකොට බලමු මෙතන. Yes, මෙතන පේනවා මේ වගුවෙන් 50% correction එක කියන්නේ 7370යි. 38.2 correction කියන්නේ 7442යි. So slightly below 7500. So 7000, yes, that is a mental barrier for anybody to go below. Now we are getting used to the 7500. So probably it might test slightly below 7500 and then move back again in track. Okay, අපි බලමු chart එක. This is 3-year history. නෑ අපි බලමු අපි 5-year history එක බලමු. මේ Fibonacci tool එකේ මම මේ the last low, the major low point here and the high point here. Okay, or we can go slightly above, but this is actually where I have put 0 is the 88.6 correction on this. මේ මම පෙන්නුම් කරන්න දැන් මෙතන මේක ඇවිලා මම measure කරන්නේ harmonic price pattern එකක් හැටියට මේක. Okay, දැන් මේ point එක මේ මම මේ බිඳුව මෙතන මේ පේන point එක 0 මේක ඇවිල්ලා actually 88.6. So 88.6 is an extreme correction level. Okay, so we could see some correction taking place, and that's why we are seeing here this correction here, and then this acting as a resistance point. So around 7550 is acting as a resistance. So, and this is one time testing, and then second time, and probably we might see another slight pullback or a minor correction towards 7450. okay correction එකක් අපිට පෙනේවි සමහරවිට 7450ක maximum correction එකක් එතනින් එහාට නැවතත් market can move up or maybe could be choppy until probably if the market is able to recover before the, let's say, 100-day program and then the general elections, and once the market gauges itself, then we could see whether it's a choppy or a continuation there onwards to the next level around, let's say, 8,000 on the index point. So mama dakina vidiyata RSI is showing oversold, so correction is expected towards another, let's say, towards 7,450 max. Okay, looking again the 2-year history again to be very clear here. So we are looking for a correction around this point, 50-point correction, okay, on the Fibonacci tool here. So this is what we are measuring around, okay, slightly around 7,400 or I think 61.2 would be strong for me. I'm seeing some kind of price action here, see here, and then coming back. So let's see, 61.8 would be 7,300. So that will that is going to act as the next level of support for us. Well, that's about it. Let us see whether we can see any divergence here. Let us have a look at it. Okay, this is a high point, and this is no, not really. So MACD seems to be all right here, so it's almost here. So wish it is somewhere up. So we are on par with the divergence. So well, so I don't expect a huge kind of a correction at this moment. Let's wait for these points, 38.2, 50 and 61. So this is where, let me shade it for you all. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so these are the levels I'm looking for. So that's about it. Until I see you on another video, this is Shark signing off.